Hello viewers, I am Deepti. So I am ready with part 2 for MCQ Marathon for ICSE Class 10 Economic subjects. So let me see your response for this video. The question is, revenue which is derived by the government from railway fares is commercial revenue, administrative revenue, social revenue or welfare revenue. And the correct answer is A, it is commercial revenue. In which good price fall does not make any increase in demand. Necessities goods, comfort goods, luxuries goods, none of these. And the correct answer is C, luxuries goods. Next is, which of the below is the reason for increase in administrative machinery? Rapid growth of population, economic development, both A and B, and none of these. And the correct option is both A and B. Dash is a benefit of division of labor. Greater efficiency, low wages, low standard of living, none of these. And the correct answer is greater efficiency. From the given visual depiction, identify the specific factor of production showcased in the image. हैंड है, हैंड पे आपके पास फॉरेस्ट बना हुआ है यानी कि लैंड है, तो ऑप्शंस आर क्वालिटी ऑफ लैंड, सिचुएशन ऑफ लैंड, proper use of land and ownership of land, and the correct answer is ownership of land. अब आप मुझे कहते हैं मैम आप नीचे देख रहे हो, मैं कहां से क्वेश्चंस देख के बोलूंगी? मेरे सामने कोई स्मार्ट बोर्ड तो नहीं है कि मैं सामने से देख के बोलूंगी, क्वेश्चंस तो मुझे देखने पड़ेंगे ना. तो लेट्स बेयर विद मी. The evolution of money started with this stage: commodity money, metallic money, animal money, bank money, and the correct option is animal money. Capital formation cannot occur unless there is investment, production, saving, money, and the correct answer is saving. Direct taxes are levied on individuals and entities based on their income, profits or wealth. तो direct tax लगते हैं. These taxes are imposed by the government directly on the taxpayers and are considered a significant source of revenue for funding various public services and welfare programs. Which of the following is an example of a direct tax? Sales tax, property tax, excise tax and import tax, and the correct option is property tax. Identify which of the following option does the central government does not include in the development expenditure. Does not include. So expenditure on economic activities, expenditure on social and community services, grants to states and defense expenditure. And the correct option is defense expenditure, does not include in the development expenditure. Which one of the following is a characteristic of land? Movable, destructible, variable quantity, प्राइमरी फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. तो हम लैंड के बारे में कर रहे हैं बात. हाउ कैन इट बी मूवेबल? सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज प्राइमरी फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. नेक्स्ट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैव इलास्टिक डिमांड? मैच बॉक्स, वाटर, मेडिसिन्स, एयर कंडीशनर्स. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज एयर कंडीशनर्स. द पेट्रोलियम इंडस्ट्री इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मोनोपोलिस्टिक कॉम्पिटिशन, प्योर ओलिगोपोली, duopoly or differentiated oligopoly, and the correct answer is pure oligopoly. External borrowing of the government of India includes borrowings from foreign governments, market borrowings, international organization like World Bank and IMF, and all of the above. So all of the above is the correct answer for this. Labor can be classified into skilled, semi-skilled and unskilled, physical and mental labor, professional and administration labor, all of these. And the correct answer is all of these. Bank having power of note issue in India is State Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India, Canara Bank, Federal Bank. And the correct option is Reserve Bank of India. पावर ऑफ इशुइंग नोट्स मींस करेंसी, तो आपको पता है ये सिर्फ रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के पास है. as land cannot produce anything by itself. Therefore, it is called a dash factor of production. Active, mobile, durable, passive. And the correct option is passive factor of production because it cannot produce anything by itself. Who conducts public debt operations of the Government of India? Union Ministry of Finance, the Controller of Capital Issues, State Bank of India and RBI, and the correct option is RBI. Substitute goods are products or services that can be used in place of each other for a specific purpose or need. तो substitute goods हो गए. When the price of one substitute good decreases, consumer tends to shift their demand towards the cheaper alternative, leading to a negative relationship between the demand for substitute goods. How does a decrease in the price of a substitute good affect consumer behavior? It leads to a decrease in demand for the substitute good. It has no effect on the demand for the substitute good. It leads to a decrease in demand for the original good. It leads to an increase in the demand for the substitute good. And the correct option is last one. It leads to an increase in demand for the substitute good. Who described public finance as a study of principles underlying the spending and raising of funds by public authorities. किसने ये definition दिया है? Alfred Marshall, G. Findlay Shiraz, Warren Buffett or John Maynard? So correct option is G. Findlay Shiraz. Next is dash consists of all human efforts of body or mind which are undertaken in the expectation of reward. Land, capital, labor, none of these. So dash consists of all human efforts. It means labor. So option labor is correct. Next is under which of the following forms of market structure does a firm has no control over the price of the product? Firm has no control. Oligopoly, monopoly, perfect competition, monopolistic competition, and the correct answer is perfect competition. In economics, capital is defined here in the sense of money, capital goods, things, none of these, and the correct option is capital goods. Direct taxes are taxes levied directly on individuals or entities based on their income, property or wealth. Which of the following taxes is considered a direct tax? Sales tax, corporate tax, excise tax, value added tax. And out of the given options, corporate tax is considered as a direct tax. The debt which yields income to the government is called as gross, productive, unproductive, internal, and the correct option is productive. Other factors of production can be increased in supply to a great extent, but it is impossible to increase the supply of land. Which characteristic of land is reflected here? Free gift of nature, primary factor of production, varies in fertility, limited in supply. हम इंक्रीज नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट, लिमिटेड इन सप्लाई. If the price of a complementary good rises, then demand curve shifts to the left, shifts to the right, moves downward, moves upward, and the correct option is A, shift to the left. The monopoly involves a social cost mainly due to its emphasis on which of the following? Earning net profit in all possible situations, lower output at a higher cost in a normal profit situation, charging different prices from different categories of buyers of the same product, attempting to stall entry of other firms in the market. And option correct is lower output at a higher cost in a normal profit situation. An empirical law to the effect of growing public expenditure was propounded by Peacock, Wagner, Weizmann, none of these. And the correct answer is Wagner, option number B. Which of the following is a function of an entrepreneur? Risk bearing, distributive functions, innovative functions. decision making functions, coordination and supervision, all of these, and we all know that the answer is all of these. Margin refers to rate of interest levied by the bank, limit of loan provided by the RBI to the other banks, or difference between the value of collateral security and value of loan. And the correct option is this, difference between the value of collateral security and value of loan. And the last option is none of these, which is incorrect. Land is a dash factor of production. Temporary, permanent, active, mobile. Very easy question. Permanent factor of production. Debt on to locally owned banks in the local currency is dash debt. Irredeemable, external, redeemable, internal. And correct option is internal. How does an increase in the price of a complementary good impact consumer behavior? It leads to an increase in demand for the complementary goods. It has no effect on the demand for the complementary goods. It leads to an increase in the demand for the substitute goods. And the correct answer is it leads to a decrease in the demand for the complementary goods. Which of the following statements is true about regressive tax? Taxes where tax rate decreases, taxes where tax rate increases, taxes where tax rate decreases with an increase in the income of an individual, and taxes where tax rate increases with an increase in the income of an individual. And the correct option is C, taxes where tax rate decreases with an increase in the income of the individual. Regressive tax. Labor is the only dash factor of production. Passive, active, temporary, immobile. And the correct answer is active factor of production. Next is, which of the following is an example of perfectly competitive market? Soft drinks, diamonds, farming, athletic shoes. And the correct option is farming. Perfectly competitive market. Land is fixed and limited in supply with while the supply of capital dash supply of capital is unlimited, can be increased or decreased, remain same, none of these. Supply of capital, it can be increased or decreased. Indirect taxes are imposed on goods and services, and the burden of these taxes is ultimately passed on to the end consumers. These taxes are collected by businessmen and then remitted to the government, making them an essential source of revenue for public expenditures. Which of the following is an example of indirect tax? Property tax, income tax, sales tax, corporate tax. And the correct answer is sales tax. Indirect tax. Identify the sources of public debt. Treasury bills, external assistance, short-term borrowings, all of these. And the correct option is all of these. Which of the following factors determines the productivity of land? Natural factor, improvement of land, proper use of land. Size of holdings, organization, state help. Human factors, ownership of land. All of these. And the correct option is again all of these. Increase in demand is shown by demand curve when the curve shifts left, the curve shifts right, movement along the curve, there is no change, movement along the demand curve. And the correct answer is curve shifts right. Which of the following is the best example of a natural monopoly? Diamonds, a patented good, first class mail, or natural gas? The monopoly is natural gas. Which of the following is true about GST? It is a direct tax, it is an indirect tax, it is levied by the government in supply of goods and services, and both B and C. And the correct option is both B and C. Last one. Which of the following is an importance or role of entrepreneurs in economic development? Increase in output, less dependence on other countries. Mobilization of savings, balanced regional developments. Generation of employment opportunities. all of these, and all of these is again correct here. Identify the types of deposits commercial banks accept. Fixed deposit, savings account deposits, current account deposits, all of these. And again, last option is the winner. All of the above is the correct answer here also. In economics, not only the surface of earth, but all those free gifts of nature, the supply of which can be regulated, is called labor, capital, land. None of these. Land is the correct answer. The debt which government pays off after a specified date is called dash debt. Irredeemable, unproductive, productive, redeemable is correct answer is redeemable. If a product has an elastic demand, what happens when its price decreases? Quantity demanded remains constant, quantity demanded decreases significantly, quantity demanded remains unchanged, quantity demanded increases significantly, and the correct option is increases significantly. Which among these is not a monetary tool? SLR, deficit financing, open market operations, CRR. So not a monetary tool. Others are monetary tool other than deficit financing is the correct option here. The concentration of textiles in Gujarat and sugar industry in UP are good examples of international division of labor, horizontal division of labor, simple division of labor, or geographical division of labor, and the correct option is geographical division of labor. Which of the following market types has all the firms selling products so identical that buyers do not care from which firm they buy? Monopoly, oligopoly, perfect competition, and monopolistic competition, and we all know the answer is perfect competition. An entrepreneur is someone who controls the firm to earn profit, growth and development, both A and B, none of these. And no, option number C, both A and B are correct. Digressive taxes are a type of tax system where the tax rate decreases as the taxable income increases. In such a system, individuals with higher incomes pay a lower percentage of their income in taxes compared to those with lower incomes. This approach aims to provide some relief to lower income individuals while still generating revenue for the government. Which of the following statements best describes digressive taxes? Digressive taxes. Tax rate increases as income increases. Tax rate decreases as income increases. Tax rate remains constant regardless of income. Tax rate is based on the number of dependents. And the correct option is B. Tax rate decreases as income increases. Which of the following is a type of tax? Public tax, direct tax, indirect tax, both B and C. The type of tax are direct and indirect, so both B and C, option number D is correct. Finance raised to operate a business is called labor, enterprise, land, capital, and the correct option is capital. Which of the following factor affecting the demand? Price, change in income, taste of consumer, all of the above. And all of the above is the correct option. Which of the following describes a monopoly firm? Monopoly firm. No barrier to entry, many substitute, many sellers, single seller. तो monopoly कौन होती है? Single seller. Which of the below are sources of public revenue? Tax revenue, non-tax revenue, both A and B, none of these. And the correct option is C, both A and B. Who bears the risk involved in business? Government, entrepreneur, labor, none of these. तो entrepreneur का main काम ही तो ये होता है, risk involved है. तो option number B is correct. Overdraft facility is available on saving account, current account, posting account, time deposit. And the correct option is current account पे आपका overdraft facility होता है. For long questions, I have made a video for predicted questions ICSE Economics Class 10. So you can watch that video for your important and very important questions which can be covered in your final examination. So thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel.